Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this wireless Bluetooth mouse for laptops, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Alright, so we got our wireless mouse right here. This is a 2.4 gig optimal wireless mouse with an LED. It's slim, Bluetooth 5.0. So this is offered in several different colors. I did purchase the gray color. So you can see that it's Bluetooth off, and then you got 2.4 gig. And then when you connect this to your computer, if you're not connecting it by the Bluetooth, it does have the little dongle right here that you'd plug it in. You can see that it does work and it is lit up. So the MMK dual mouse mode, it is a 5.0 Bluetooth 2.4G USB wireless receiver. It's got a rechargeable mouse so you can charge this. It has a 500 milliamp rechargeable lithium ion battery which provides more than 1 month of working time and 3 months of standby. The blue light shows when it's charging. The blue light turns off automatically when it's fully charged. It has a high precision DPI adjustable dual mode mouse with 800, 1200, and 1600 switchable DPI. Pressing the DPI button when changing the perfect speed you need. You can slap into 10 minutes in an activity for energy saving, and it can be activated by just clicking one button. So you can see right here you've got the first two buttons right here for your left and right, and then you've got your scroll button right here up at the top. So if you're looking for a nice wireless mouse that is lightweight and it is super easy to use, I would highly recommend checking out this wireless Bluetooth mouse for all devices.